Trauma program at Mercy Health Lorain Hospital is coming to an end. It's a joint decision by the hospital and the Metro Health system. The decision was made so both health systems can continue to provide high-quality care. Patients can still go to the hospital for medical emergencies and serious conditions, but Mercy Health Lorain Hospital will not seek re-verification as a Level 3 trauma center. The change starts October 15th.